My name is Deacon Kong from Richmond. I'm the owner of Kong's Auto Supplies in Richmond.
Yes.
About 4 o'clock, some guys observed that there was a smoke coming from an old building up the top here.
Yes.
And it spread and came right down to our building.
Okay.
And all that building were deserted over a period of 10-15 years.
Yeah.
And history is actually repeating itself.
History.
Because the whole of this block here was damaged, was fire burning in the 40s. The whole block
Okay.
was fire burned, and it nearly repeated itself because of the derelict buildings that were in there and should have been either demolished by the owners, right? But they were allowed to stay there and they were rat infested and so forth. Matter of fact, last year I went to the parish council and I begged them to have the owners either demolish the building because they were old, they were rat infested, and
Yes.
it was like a fire bomb. And this is what happened. This is the result. A fire started somewhere up the road, whether electrical fire or what, and I'm not sure.
Yes.
And it spread all the way. It caught fire in no time at all. No time at all. But luckily, our roof was damaged only, and the building was saved. The fire brigade came in time for us anyway, right in time.
Right.
Thankfully, and the citizens lend a hand. Everybody started moving out the stuff,
Yeah.
right? And thank God the building was saved.
And the building that you're speaking to is
It's this building here, which is it was building 51, so it is now 71 years old. This building was in that famous movie there. You know that famous movie that was filmed in Richmond?